Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to merge the cells and wrap text. Let us start. I am typing here students marks list. So I want to merge cells A to F. I will select the cells, then go to merge and center and then click on merge. So the cell is merged. If you want to unmerge, you can select the cell again and click on unmerge. So this is how we can merge and unmerge the cells. Next thing, I am typing here student name. So here student's name is typed. So it is going to cell C. If I want to make it adjusted only to B cell, I will select the cell where the text is written, then go to alignment and wrap text. So this text is fitted in a single cell. So that's all for today. I hope you would have liked this video. If liked, please share with your friends. Press the bell icon for latest updates and subscribe the channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching.